Hello class, Mr. Garino here. In this video I'm going to illustrate how to make a special offer flyer in Microsoft Publisher. So of course go to Microsoft Office, open up Publisher, and start showing you all these templates. Here we have flyers. If you can't find it, you can go to more categories. There's different ways to search through here, but it should pop up right here. And when I click flyers, the thing that doesn't pop up though is I want to do a special offer, and right here you'll see there is no special offer. If I scroll down, there still is not a special offer. But special offer is not an event like a birthday party or something. If you click on event, you'll see things for birthday parties and garage sales and all that. So Microsoft Publisher is good for business, but it's also fun and usable for, just home personal stuff. But we're actually doing a business thing, so it's a marketing thing. So I'm going to click this folder for marketing, and I get a whole lot more opening up. It's not informational, it's special offer. But again, here's just a few. I don't know why they do these. These might be the templates that come installed in the program. And then here's the ones even more installed templates. So I'm scrolling down, and here's special offer. So we got a lot more here, special offer. And the one I chose before was mobile. That was a type of template. Now you don't necessarily have to always choose the same template because it could be different, it could look different. But I'm going to choose the same one just to show you how it looks. So I'm going to click that. I'm not going to include mailing address because this is something that's going to go into like a newspaper, the flyers that come with the newspaper. And I guess it'd just be like a general thing for a lot of different Dunkin' Donuts stores, not just mine. But you could include the mailing address if you want. I'm going to include the graphic, and I'm going to say create. And you'll see that if I zoom in down here, maybe a little bit too much. There we go. If I scroll down, you'll see it has the information I put in before. Okay, if I wanted some other information, if it didn't do that right, I could go over to File, Edit Business Information, choose a different set, and if I say Update, and then go back to Home, you'll see it put it back to all that generic stuff. Obviously, we don't want that, so I could go back to File, or I can go over here, Business Information, Edit, go back to Mr. G, say Update Publication, and it changes it all back. So that's how you can go from one business set to the other. So here I have the name Dunkin' Donuts. Here's my little logo picture. I got my motto, America runs on Dunkin'. It put it in green, so I'll probably want to change that. But then there's also information like describe your location by landmark or area of town. So maybe people don't know. Why can't I get in there? So I'm trying to click, it won't go in, so I'm right clicking, change text. We don't want a text file. Okay, I guess it chooses the whole thing at once. So I'm just going to type describe your location because I guess they figure you want to get rid of all of that. So we're going to put locate it. In the Best Buy shopping center. So maybe there's a shopping center where the big store in there is Best Buy. You put that so everybody knows, oh, that's where that Dunkin' Donuts is. Over here where it says list here, list items here. So we're going to put, I don't know, buy 10 munchkins, get 5 free. How about free donut with the... So here's where you're listing all the things that you're trying to entice people to come in and buy your stuff. Free donut with the purchase of a large coffee. And the last thing, let's see. All lattes half price. date of the sale. So we're going to make that 12/22/2017, and the time of the sale would be, I don't know. How about if we just say all day? And then over here, if you're offering your goods at reduced prices, you are having a sale or special offer. A sale usually spans a block of time, and a special offer is usually limited to one specific date or time and may require a coupon. Place your text here to briefly describe your sale or special offer. You might want to list products and their special prices. So here we just say just making this up, Dunkin' Donuts Christmas sale. Please stop by and enjoy one of our specials. Maybe it's that simple. Up here, promotion title. Well, I think that's going to be, because we don't want to just leave it promotion title. We're going to say, why do I keep putting two? Christmas sale. Got Dunkin' Donuts over here again. Free offer. Why does that do that? It's like shrinking as I type. Donuts. There we go. Donuts. And over here is a picture placeholder. So you can put in a picture there. Now I'm not going to put this picture because I already have that. So let's go find the picture on the internet and put it there. Okay, so I did a quick search. Here's some Dunkin' Donuts pictures. This one's pretty big, so I'm going to use that. So of course you first click on it. Once you see this one, you still click, you still click view image, and then you save this one. Save image as, save it to your folder. So for me, documents, business card, save, and then go back to your publication here, click here. If you click on that little icon right there, it basically knows you want to change the picture. Go find your picture, and it's this one. Say insert, and there you got your picture of your donuts. So let me shrink this down. Here's our special offer flyer. Christmas sale, Dunkin' Donuts, America runs on Dunkin'. Here's our little emblem thing. We can say Dunkin' Donuts again. So if any one of these things you think is a little too redundant, just click on it and delete it. And maybe I don't want this on top of there. Maybe I want it over here. I'll just move it over. And maybe instead of the green background, I want to go with the pink. So come up here to format, shape fill, use that orange we used before. And of course, for some reason, it filled this shape, but that's not the shape of this thing back there. So looks like we have something else going on here. Let's go to format text box, and it's funny, it's saying no color. So some of these things, one thing that people don't like about publishers, sometimes it can kind of be a little annoying to work with. So why is it putting that green there? It's probably because it came from the template and it doesn't really want to change it. Let's see if I can do it. Format text box. That didn't happen. That didn't help us, because right now it's saying there's no color there, but it's green. So what you're noticing is sometimes this can be rather annoying. Update, save business. So I'm telling you, I paused my video and I'm having a hard time getting rid of this green. I don't really know how to do it. So what could you do? How about we just delete it? Delete the whole thing and go and insert our own text box. So we draw a text box, and then we just say America runs on Duncan, and then we can go format it ourselves with our fill. Here's our orange, and if we did like that oval shape, we can go and choose an oval shape, which isn't actually oval. Where's a nice oval? Maybe rounded rectangle. So maybe you like that better. So there's a good point. If one of the built-in template fields is driving you crazy, rather than trying to edit it and killing yourself and really driving you crazy, just delete it and put the stuff in on your own. So the template gives you a great starting point and pretty much tells you what you should have on there, but it isn't anything that you have to keep and do exactly the way they say. You can always delete it and change it. So now here's my special offer flyer that's going to go in the newspaper. So I'm just going to save that. File, save as, and go to my folder for that project. Right here I got publisher special offer flyer, and I'm going to name it Mr. G special offer DD for Dunkin' Donuts. Name it something unique, something that means something to you, so you can always find it again. Don't just name it Publication 1 or Mr. G1, Mr. G2. Put some sort of name that you would never use for something else, so that when you're looking for a file, you can always find it based on the name that's unique. Save, close it out, and you're good to go. Thank you.